29th of February, 6 a.m. in the morning. We are here waiting at the reception. Very excited and looking forward to the wildlife safari that we are going to go to. And we are still waiting for the rest of the team. I've been up since 5 and already and very excited, of course. And I've got my little backpack with me. We were asked to be in camouflaged clothes today. So let's see what we spot. And I'm totally looking forward to this trip. See you guys. Hi, good morning. We are finally here. The sanctuary opens at 7 a.m. So we are waiting right outside the gate. This is Wayanad, the Wildlife Sanctuary, Mutunga Range. The Mutunga Range falls in Kerala. And hopefully we should do a lot of spotting. There are tigers, and apparently last week there's been a tigress with cubs that has been spotted. So fingers crossed, let's see what happens. One more than the one. That's my morning chai. Thank you. Okay, guess we are in the queue, so we have to do a little bit of waiting, but हमसे waiting नहीं हो रही है. और of course यहाँ पर बड़ा अच्छा सा वेदर है, तो चाय पीने का भी मन कर रहा था. तो Anna here makes superb chai for us. I've already had my tea. और चालू? Excited? क्या spot करना है? Tigers.
Okay, there was one. There was actually forest 10.
Forest hen.
So these ones are tamed to go and rescue the wild elephant.
Ah. Our first party. Everything, no? How he spots everything, yeah. Right in the middle of the jungle. दूर तक. He doesn't need binoculars. Yeah. What about the tiger though?
मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं तुमको नीचे उतार दूँ और मैं बोलूँ
मेरे पीछे ही पड़ गई हो. So what all did we spot today?
We first spotted the racket-tailed drongo.
Yeah.
Then white-throated kingfisher.
Yeah.
I love that
Then
bird.
we spotted peacock. Then peahen, forest rooster. Then elephant. Spotted deer. Vultures. We did a spot Malabar giant squirrel. Yeah, and still counting.
Okay, so safari done. It was super exciting, super thrilling. बार-बार हम अपनी सांसें रोक रहे थे ये सोचकर कि अभी टाइगर दिखेगा, बट ठीक है, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. थोड़ा सा आज शायद लक में थोड़ी कमी थी, कोई बात नहीं. next time.
हम पूरी तैयारी के साथ गए थे लेकिन हमें फिर भी टाइगर नहीं
Yeah, but हमने बहुत कुछ spot किया.
मिला। जैसे कि हवा, पेड़ पौधे, पत्थर, मिट्टी।
Tusker, vultures, this very beautiful bluebird, langurs, deer,
बहुत कुछ
I think मज़ा आया. Overall experience बहुत अच्छा था.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग।
And आप लोग को भी आना चाहिए और मैं rates mention कर दूँगी नीचे how much you pay for the jeep and how much you pay for the entry. So come to Wayanad and come to the sanctuary and enjoy it. So finally after the wildlife safari we are here back at the hotel having breakfast. और मैंने breakfast start किया एक बहुत ही refreshing juice के साथ छोटा pineapple, watermelon, beetroot and lemon का juice. बहुत yum. And of course इसके बाद some serving of fresh fruits. And we are going to have some very interesting breakfast that you can see. It's made right here. Those are appams, there's chakadi, there's your choice of dosa. और वहाँ पे भी कुछ बहुत ही traditional काउंटर है जिसमें earthenware pots को यूज करके कुकिंग होगी. Looks good. Let's eat. Biryani that we are having today. So we are told that this is actually cooked by people who carry ingredients to the jungle and cook it. They put fire and put the bamboo inside and it's cooked. So that's the idea of this whole biryani. Enjoy.
Dairy pies, like the bamboo rice pies. Oh, bamboo rice.
Okay, Amit, your favorite salsa.
Yeah, like गुड़ की महक आती है मुझे, but bamboo rice spice.
Mangesh is happy too. चारू कह रही है मैं पहले फोटो खींचूं. So this is bamboo rice paisam. And it's the most amazing thing I've had. Amazing.
बैम्बू में राइस आता है.
अच्छा, bamboo में rice भी आता है.
Bamboo में जो rice आता है उसका पायसम. Okay, we are going to.
Kolaram Kanal.
And what are we doing there today?
We will walk the jungle. We'll do some birding.
Okay.
There is a waterfall which we can into the water.
Wow.
Then we have glass bridge. We have some string walking, all that, some adventure activities also.
So basically lots of walking and some bird watching too, right?
Yeah, bird watching.
Yeah.
Awesome. Looking forward. You're all set.
Okay, we are finally a tree-top point view and the glass bridge that we've been waiting for.
On the glass bridge that you see in the background, and we've got to remove our shoes for this place. Looks super exciting. Super exciting.
And check that out. Oh my god, it's scary. It is very scary. Charu! Oh my god, I'm so scared.
You know, I did the glass bridge walking on the
Come closer to me.
Wait, let me just
Twin
move.
Towers.
I'll move forward.
and that's like
I'll shake
super
the bridge.
scary.
I'll shake the bridge.
That's
Going
like-
to shake the bridge.
You're gonna shake the bridge? No. You guys can see it's not my camera shaking, it's the bridge moving. And Charu seems a bit scared. Guys, just look at this view. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Wow.
मुझे मेरे नीचे देखते चक्कर आ रहे हैं।
This is where we are standing.
फोटो मत मतलब क्या दिख रहा है? Isn't it gorgeous, guys?
Asha, we are going to the Jharna now and check out
Let's
the
go!
route. That's where we get in from. And here we are!
I think you need to go it fast. Those people who are coming, no?
So, झरने में नहाने के बाद हमने किया है एक लिटिल ट्रैक और हम पहुंचे हैं इस जगह. लुक, कितनी सुंदर है ये जगह. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल और वेदर बहुत ही प्यारा है और थोड़ी थोड़ी सी बारिश हो रही है. लवली.
ऐसे नॉर्मल लगा करो।
हाँ, आजा. ठीक है. And now we just have to go.
This is something else.
So technically,
चारू कैसी है पारुल की क्लास?
अरे वो क्या फ्लेक्सिबल है।
it's here
I'm
all the way
trying
back
to-
and then
मैं
coming
उलझ जाऊंगी अपने अंदर।
and doing this. It was completely.
हम ऐसे मेडिटेशन करते हैं।
So yoga done, and of course it's time for breakfast. आज कुछ और interesting है. Idiyappam. Wow! Imagine. It looks like a noodle idli to me. And बहुत ही interesting. हम बहुत कुछ खाने वाले हैं. Of course the uttapam, one of my favorite South Indian meal. और हम यहाँ पर शुरू करेंगे. जैसा कि रोज कुछ ना कुछ होता है. Passion fruit juice. I think I love their style of serving. कल हम एक पाइनएप्पल के शेल में जूस पी रहे थे और आज ये शेल. So beautiful. और इसके साथ ये दूसरा वाटरमेलन और ग्रेप जूस है और कुछ फ्रूट्स हैं. I think it's going to be a very interesting breakfast. और look at nature all around, guys. It's full on nature. And most interesting part, our breakfast is going to be served in this. Wow. क्या आपने कभी ऐसी जगह ब्रेकफास्ट किया है? अगर किया है तो कमेंट कीजिए. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. She's like, whatever. ये तो मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ.
ये तो तेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है।
All set for zip zap zoom. I'm gonna go up and do zip line. Very very excited. और आगे आपको दिखाते हैं आज zip line. This is in the resort itself, Sterling Wayanad. I think आप यहाँ आए तो ये जरूर try कीजिएगा. It's super fun. Okay. And now my instructor is all ready. He's pulling up the harness from there. क्योंकि चारू अभी गई है तो हार्नेस वहाँ से वापस आएगा. और जैसे ही वो हार्नेस वापस आएगा मैं उस हार्नेस को पहनूंगी and I'll go.
पहले कभी किया है?
No, my first time. We are getting ready. सबसे पहले मैं पहनूंगी ये helmet for protection. My left leg. And here it comes. अब ये इसको टाइट कर रहे हैं जिससे मेरी बॉडी पर फिट रहे.
we go. And there we go. Okay, we all set.
तो लेके माता का नाम.
Jai Mata Di. Let's rock. Ready? Woo! Oh, it was awesome. So thrilling. जैसा हमें कह रहा था बीच में ऐसा लगता है कि पेड़ में क्रैश करना है but you just kind of go through and it was amazing. I wish it could just go on but yet beautiful. Thank you once again Sterling Wayanad.
इस सफर में आपकी बहुत किसी ने हेल्प की है.
Yes,
Mr.
of course,
Little
the
Jizu.
credit goes to Mr. Jiju, who's been like there with us all throughout, guiding us, helping us, making us feel all the more special, and taking all those extra efforts. And we feel so special and so blessed. And what
Thank
would I
you
say
so
more?
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Pleasure is mine to take care of you.
So, guys, whenever you're here, look for him.
Yeah, he's the man.
Finally, these 3 fantastic days are over. और एक्चुअली आज हमें लग रहा है कि पता ही नहीं लगा कि कैसे 3 दिन चले गए. इतना सब कुछ हुआ इन 3 दिनों में. हमने इतना सब कुछ किया. ऑफ कोर्स आपने देखा ही होगा ये सब वीडियो में. पर बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई मेट दिस न्यू फ्रेंड Charu and we had so much fun together. So now we all thinking that we are going to do a lot of vlogs together.
Because we love traveling and
Exactly. And a lot of other things are also common. So guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notifications of all the video and keep watching Chaudhary on the Road.